In another tutorial, we talk a little bit about how we can actually connect Shopify and Cloudy and be working on together. Today, we're going to be checking out how Cloudy can now do everything into Shopify. So basically, there's a really easily operational capabilities checklist. So look at the capabilities breakdown. We aren't talking about simple text generation here. We're talking about granting an intelligent system direct execution access to the stored databases. So there's a first live operational run. There's the theme customization. There's the data enrichment. There's the inventory intelligence, and there's the error debugging. So we're going to be checking this live because what we do right now with my Shopify store is that I ask the actual store to check out, in this case, the actual online store and try to help me to add more information about this specific theme. So basically here, as you can see, is going to be asking understanding what my store is about. Let's go for my online store. Here's what it says, view your online store, and as you can see, it looks really simple. There's no rated images. There's a really basic like a header. There's a really basic footer like a header. There's nothing in here. So what I did is to ask the artificial intelligence, the Cloudy, to help me create something really stunning. So basically what I just need to do is just to wait till Cloudy has the actual work for me. I can hit back directly inside these element. Let's say for example here, and as you can see, it's actually working. So for example here, let me fetch your themes to find your duplicate. Already found it. Now I have a clear picture for your theme. It's this one, a food lifestyle focused theme with 0 slideshows. Here's the color scheme. Your store sells notebooks. I'm going to be changing that. Now I have everything I need. The theme has food theme copy, savor last bite. I'm going to be adding this as notebook images. Here's my copy. Theme has not been updated. Copy of the saver and has been added all of this element. Let's see if this one actually has done the actual work. So I'm going to reload the page. Should be enabled directly inside here, but the new theme will be added directly inside this element. So one of the greatest workflows is the zero code catalog overall, because what you can do is to tell exactly what you're actually aiming for. If you have 200 products to the store, you update the theme to the proper search ratings and takes an entire week. Watch how Cloud handles it and dropping into actual single comment, and you don't have to do absolutely anything there. There's another workflow, which is the health healing theme code adjustments and direct the actual theme customization. Usually if your mobile layout breaks, you have to dig through complex liquid files or pay to the developer to the freelance platform, and basically Shopify doesn't have to do absolutely anything for that, which I think is going to be really awesome. Now something else is, it says for example, would you like me to also grab product description for this number to fill this empty description? Let's say for example yes, try to do that, right? And it actually does really great way to work, and I can check out the actual product, and now I can see that I have a really great inventory product collection with a really great inventory, everything organized, well organized, and I didn't have to do absolutely anything else. And the workflow that actually works is the automated events manager, because there are some safety rules. There are some turn Cloud into an active partner. You can instruct the agent to run a schedule check on it and do more than just that. So I'm going to review the actual theme that the Cloudy has done for me, and you can see that it looks a little bit more structured and really awesome. So what I can do is to hit into the element that says published, and boom, I didn't have to do a lot of steps. I reload the page and I got something like really easily, but now I have something a little bit much more important and much more faster to use. Everything work with the actual Cloudy. So Cloud has a really great solutions to work here at Shopify. If you wanted to see an actual tutorial how you can connect the Shopify into your Cloud, or let's say from the other way, you have the actual link in the description so you can check out this tutorial that we've done for you. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you wanted to see more great tools like this, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we can see you all next time.